Hello Schoola students, how you doing? Today inshallah we are going to continue Unit 2 Desert Animals Lesson 3. Before we're talking about Lesson 3, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe عشان تقدروا تشوفوا كل الحلقات. طيب, in Lesson 3 inshallah we are going to talk about two interesting animals, camels and horses. طيب, what do we need to learn about camels? We need to know why camels are perfect for the desert. Camels are perfect for the desert for three reasons. Number one, they have large flat feet to help them walk on the sand in the desert. Number two, they can live without water for a long time. And of course we know that. احنا عارفين ده عن الكاملز ان هم ممكن يقعدوا فترة طويلة without water, right? طيب. Number three, that they can close their eyes and close their noses to stop the sand from coming in. Yes, they can do that, okay? And these are some facts about the camels. طيب, what about the horses? The horses have large, beautiful eyes. And also they eat grass, okay? طيب, we know about camels and about horses, so we need to compare between them. فهنتعلم ازاي نعمل comparison ما بين الانيمالز وما بين بعضها. يعني for example لما اقول the camel is heavier than the horse معناها انه اتقل منه، اوكي؟ طيب كلمة heavier هنا كانت في الاساس كلمة heavy، لكن لما حبينا نعمل ال comparative form خليناها heavier than. طيب what else? The crocodile is more dangerous than the spider. طيب يعني معناها ان الكروكودايل اخطر من السبايدر. طيب where is the adjective? It's dangerous. طب احنا عشان نعمل comparative form جبنا قبلها more وبعدها than فبقت more dangerous than. طيب هو احنا ازاي بنعمل كده وش معنى الاولى قلنا heavier than والتانية قلنا more dangerous than؟ This is what we are going to learn today. So please let's go and start our lesson. Here is the first picture of the first desert animal. Do you know what's this? Great, it's a camel. Very good. Okay, طب what do you know about camel? Do you know any information about it? Well, so what is surprising about the camels? What is surprising? يعني ما المدهش عن camels? The things that you don't know. Well, let's read together and find out. Camels are amazing. Camels are amazing. They are wonderful, fantastic, okay? They are beautiful, strong animals. They are beautiful and strong, okay? Strong, أقوياء. They help us to carry things and people to cross the desert. They help us, like they help people to carry, they carry things on their back. اوكي يعني لو حد عايز يروح من مكان لمكان بيبقى معاه شنط او معاه حاجه ف camels can help them to carry his stuff. So they carry things and people to cross the desert. Cross the desert like walk in the desert. Okay, walk in the desert. Very good. What else? Their milk is delicious. Okay, do you know that camels can give us milk? Like cows, like goats? Yes, they can do that. So we can get milk from the camels and it's delicious. Okay, remember the word delicious? Good. We can use their fur to make clothes. Okay, we can use their fur, this fur, okay, to make clothes, jackets, pullovers, okay? Camels are perfect for the desert. Okay, what's the meaning of perfect? Huh? Perfect means like مثالي, okay? يعني no other animal can live in the desert or can يعني be good in the desert like camels. وكأن الcamels ربنا خلقها for deserts, للصحراء. So they are perfect for the desert, okay? Right, let's continue. Here is why. Yes. Again, we said that camels are perfect for the desert. هم يعني perfect مثاليين للصحراء. طب why؟ تعالوا بقى نشوف السبب. Camels have large flat feet so they can walk on the sand. يبقى this is number 1. ده أول سبب. Camels have large يعني very big flat feet. Okay? feet عندهم large كبيرة and flat مسطحة كده. طب why؟ So they can walk on the sand. Sand طبعا in the desert we have sand رمل. يبقى to walk on the sand, okay, they need large flat feet. يبقى that the first reason that they are perfect for the desert. طيب, what else? Here is number 2. Camels can live without water for a long time. Yes, as you know that all animals need water all the time, right? حتى البني آدمين. طيب, what about camels? Camels can live without water. Okay? يعني ممكن يقعدوا أيام طويلة جدا without water, without drinking, من غير ما يشربوا. طيب, and this is number 2. This is the reason number 2 why they are perfect for the desert. طيب, what about number 3? Camels have special ways to close their noses and eyes to stop the sand from coming in. Again, camels have special ways. الcamels كده ليهم طريقة to close their noses, okay, and close their eyes, okay, to stop the sand from coming in. طبعا they are walking in the desert, ماشيين في الصحراء، فدايما طول ما هم ماشيين there is a sand، في رمل بيقعد يطلع في الهواء. طيب الرمل ده لو دخل في عينيهم وفي مناخيرهم مش هيعرفوا ان هم ايه يشوفوا ولا يعرفوا يتنفسوا. فربنا خلق للكاملز كده special ways، طرق معينة تمام تساعده ان هو it can close its nose، يقدر يقفل انفه and close their eyes. تمام. why? to stop sand from coming in، علشان يمنع sand ان هو يدخل جوه انفه او عينه. اوكي؟ يعني سبحان الله. طيب, what else? Okay, there are no other reasons. يبقى we have 3 reasons why camels are perfect for the desert. Okay, we can say them again. Camels have large flat feet so they can walk on the sand. Camels can live without water for a long time. And camels have special ways to close their noses and eyes to stop the sand from coming in. Okay? But be careful. Be careful. Why? Camels are very noisy and they can get angry. Yes. I don't know if you heard it before or not, but camels are very nervous. عصبيين جدا. Okay? And they can get angry very easily. ممكن بيغضبوا جدا بسرعة. And they are very noisy. Okay? They are not calm. They are not quiet. No, they are noisy all the time. Okay? Well, so these are some facts about the camels. So to sum up, camels are beautiful, they are strong, they are amazing animals, their milk is delicious, and they are perfect for the desert because they have large flat feet to walk on the sand. They also can live without water for a long time. And number 3, they have special ways to close their noses and their eyes to stop the sand from coming in. Camels are also noisy and they can get angry. So these are the facts of the camels. Is it easy? Great. I think they are interesting. Now let's do this exercise together. Exercise 1. Read and complete. Okay? We have here 3 sentences with missing words. We need to choose the correct word for each one. The first word is delicious. Delicious. Okay? The second one is feet. The third one is desert. And the last one is noisy. Okay? Noisy, the opposite of calm or quiet. Quiet? Noisy. Okay? Right, let's see. Number 1. Camels have large flat. Large flat what? Which word? Great. It's large flat feet. Great. Large flat feet. Excellent. Number 2. This is the word feet. Number 2. Camels are very delicious, desert, or noisy. Great. Camels are very noisy, as we said from a while. Great. Number 3. Their milk is delicious or dessert? Great, delicious, excellent. Okay, so is it clear now? Well, now let's move to another animal that can live in the desert too, which is the horse. Very good, the horse. Type. What do you know about the horses? Any information about the horses? Well, let's see together. Horses have large, beautiful eyes. Okay, horses have eyes, but their eyes are large, very big, and beautiful. Actually, horses are beautiful animals. They have strong teeth. Their teeth, okay, are very strong. And they like to eat grass. Okay, what they eat grass. If you look at this picture, okay, this green is called grass. Grass. Okay, so they eat grass and drink fresh water. They drink fresh water. Okay, so this is what we have about the horse. Now let's see what is the difference between horses and camels. ايه الاختلاف اللي ما بين الهورسز والcamels؟ يعني both they can live in the desert, but what is the difference between them? Let's see. Here we have a fact file, as we said the last lesson. It's about horse and camel, and let's compare between them. The first one. How tall is it? How tall? Remember how tall? Very good. The horse is about 1.4 meter to 1.8 meter. Okay? يعني من 1.4 متر ل 1.8 متر. Okay? This is the tall of the horse. But what about the camel? It's from 1.8 to 2 meters tall. Okay? يبقى which is taller? Of course, it's the camel. The camel is taller than the horse. الكامل هو الأطول. Great. طيب, how heavy is it? How heavy? Remember heavy last time? Great. How heavy is it? The horse is about 380 kilograms to 550 kilograms. Okay, طب what about the camel? It's about 400 kilograms to 650 kilograms. يبقى which one is heavier? The camel or the horse? Great, of course it's the camel. Okay, طيب let's see about the fast. How fast is it? Okay, the horse is about 88 kilometer per hour. Again, 88 kilometers per hour. يعني بيجري 88 كيلومتر في الساعة. Okay, طب what about the camel? It's 65 kilometers per hour. Okay, ال kph يعني kilometers per hour. Okay, يعني كيلومتر في الساعة. Great. طيب يبقى which one is faster? This is 88 and this is 65. Of course it's the horse. The horse is faster than the camel. Great. How long does it live? Okay, the age of each one. The horse can live for 25 to 30 years. Okay, this is about the horse from 25 to 30 years. But what about the camels? It can live for 40 years. 40 years. يبقى who can live longer? مين ممكن يعيش أطول? Of course, it's the camel. Okay? يبقى these are the differences between the horses and the camels. Okay? Is it easy? طيب هو احنا المفروض نحفظ الأرقام دي؟ Of course not. Okay? This is just a fact file. دي just information. مجرد معلومات. Okay? بنعرفها عشان يعني to differentiate أو to compare between the horse and the camel. نقارن بينهم بس مش أكتر. طيب. Let's do this exercise together. Exercise 2. Answer the questions. We have here the fact file of the horse and the camel that we are talking about from a while. And we have 3 questions. We need to look at the table and try to answer the questions. Number 1. Which one is heavier? Which one is heavier? We go and look at heavy. Yes, heavy. This is 380 to 550. And this is 400 to 650. Which one is heavier? Of course, it's the camel. Yes, great. But number 1 is the camel. The camel is heavier than the horse. What about number 2? Which one is shorter? Yeah, short. It's the opposite of tall. Okay, now I'm asking about the shorter. Type shorter يبقى I need to see the tall, right? يبقى how tall is it? The first one, the horse, 1.4 to 1.8, but the camel 1.8 to 2. يبقى which one is shorter? Great, it's the horse. Very good. The horse is shorter than the camel because the camel is taller than the horse. Very good. Number 3. Which one does live longer? Okay, let's see. Yes, how long does it live? This is 25 to 30 years and this is 40 years. يبقى which can live longer? Very good, it's the camel. The camel can live longer than the horse. Okay, is it easy now? You know the information about the camels and the horses? Very good. Right. Let's move to the grammar part, which is about comparative. Okay, what's the meaning of comparative? Comparative means مقارنة. بقارن ما بين حاجتين. Okay? يعني, for example, I have here 2 animals. The first one is great, it's tiger. And the second one here is the elephant. Very good. هنا I need to make a comparison. يعني أنا عايزة أقارن ما بين the tiger and the elephant. طب هقارن بينهم في إيه؟ هقارن بينهم في صفة السرعة. Fast. Okay? عايزة أعرف مين أسرع من مين. أنا كده بقارن. Okay? So look at this. The tiger is faster than the elephant. Again, the tiger is faster than the elephant. طب أنا هنا عملت إيه؟ أول حاجة أنا جبت the tiger اللي هو الحيوان الأول اللي أنا عايزة أقارنه. تمام؟ وبعدين قلت إن هو is وجبت fast الصفة اللي أنا بقارن بيها وحطيت في آخرها إيه؟ ER وبعدين then عشان تبقى بدل ما هي fast سريع تبقى faster than أسرع من. أوكي؟ يبقى the tiger is faster than أسرع من مين؟ The elephant. Very good. يبقى the tiger is faster than the elephant. أوكي؟ طيب يبقى احنا في الكومباريتيف ما بنتعاملش غير مع adjectives مع صفات. أوكي؟ يبقى احنا لازم نكون حافظين الادجكتيفز كويس جدا. طيب يعني أنا برضو المفروض أعمل إيه علشان أقدر إن أنا أقارن بطريقة صحيحة واستخدم الادجكتيفز بالطريقة الصح؟ تعالوا نشوف مع بعض. أول حاجة لازم أعرف إن الادجكتيفز عندي أو الصفات two types متقسمة لنوعين. أوكي؟ النوع الأول حاجة اسمها short adjectives. أوكي؟ short adjectives. والshort adjectives هي اللي بتكون مكونة من one syllable. يعني إيه one syllable؟ يعني مقطع واحد بس، ما ينفعش إنها تتقسم. أوكي؟ زي إيه مثلا؟ like short. Short, it's one syllable. يبقى دي short adjective. like tall. Tall. دي برضو one syllable مقطع واحد. Heavy. Heavy. دي برضو one syllable. يبقى كل دول بنسميهم short adjectives. طب هو أنا بعرف إزاي إن الكلمة فيها one syllable أو أكتر من syllable؟ عن طريق الفاولز. بعد عدد الفاولز اللي موجود في الكلمة فمنها بقدر أعرف إذا كانت هي one syllable ولا أكتر. يعني مثلا في كلمة short إحنا عندنا كام vowel؟ just one اللي هو ال O. يبقى الكلمة دي one syllable. يبقى دي short adjective. طيب what about tall؟ yes فيها برضو one vowel. يبقى دي one syllable. يبقى دي short adjective. طب what about heavy؟ طبعا هتقولي ما فيها two vowels ده المفروض يبقى دي two syllables. لا. ليه بقى؟ إحنا مش بنحسب بالحروف، إحنا بنحسب بالsounds بالأصوات. اوكي؟ يعني انا لما بقول heavy heavy انا ما نطقتش الاي لوحدها والاي لوحدها، ده دي على بعضها heavy. تمام؟ علشان كده دي صوت واحد، لذلك احنا بنعتبرها ايه؟ one syllable. تمام؟ يبقى كل الكلمات اللي هي بتتكون من one syllable بنسميها short adjectives. يبقى ده اول نوع من انواع الادجectives. طيب what about the other kind؟ long adjectives. وبالتالي long adjectives هتبقى adjectives أو الصفات اللي بتكون مكونة من two or more syllables. يعني مقطعين أو أكتر. زي مثلا كلمة beautiful. beautiful. okay beautiful. طيب عندنا كمان dangerous. dangerous دي فيها كذا syllable. helpful. helpful دي كمان أكتر من one syllable. تمام؟ يبقى الكلمات اللي بتكون مكونة من one syllable بنسميها short adjectives. أما الكلمات اللي بتكون أكتر من one syllable بنسميها long adjectives. أوكي؟ طيب هو أنا محتاجة أعرف الshort adjectives والlong adjectives ليه؟ هنشوف مع بعض دلوقتي. أول حاجة هنتكلم عن الshort adjectives اللي بتتكون من one syllable. وعايزة أقول لكم حاجة إن ال ADJ ده اختصار لكلمة adjectives. أوكي؟ يعني ممكن نكتبها adjectives أو ADJ. طيب نشوف كده. أول adjective عندنا هي long. long لما أحب أعمل ال comparative form تمام؟ بجيب كلمة long هحط لها ER وبعدين than. يبقى long تبقى longer than. يبقى هي دي الرول الأساسية بتاعتي إن أنا بجيب ال adjective بحط في آخرها ER وبعد كده بزود than. خلي بالنا كويس من كلمة than محدش ينساها عشان تبقى معناها أطول من. أطول من. أوكي؟ طيب what else؟ slow. slow. طيب لما أحب أعمل comparative هزود لها ER وبعدين than. يبقى slower than. slower than. طيب what about small؟ the same. برضو small هزود لها ER وبعدين than تبقى smaller than. smaller than. حلوة قوي. لحد كده تمام؟ لحد كده تمام. طيب what about large؟ ايه ده احنا زودنا R بس. طب ليه؟ very good. علشان كلمة large أو ال adjective أو this adjective آخره كان E. يبقى لما ال adjective عندي ends in E لما بزود ما بحطش ER تانية، لا هزود R بس لأن ال E already موجودة في الكلمة. يبقى تاني لما ال adjective ends in E I just add R not ER. اوكي؟ يبقى large تبقى larger than. طيب what else؟ safe. safe it ends in E. يبقى it will be safer than. safer than. هزود R بس وبعدين than. يبقى safer than. what about nice؟ nice برضو it ends in E. يبقى I will add R it will be nicer than. nicer than. حد كده تمام؟ اوكي. طيب خلصت الشورت adjectives؟ no لسه في. طيب لسه في ايه تاني؟ كلمة زي كلمة big أو adjective like big. اوكي؟ لما اجيب ال comparative form ايه اللي حصل هنا؟ احنا عملنا الدبل جي وبعدين زودنا ال ER. صح؟ بقت bigger than. big bigger than. طب هو احنا ليه هنا زودنا الجي دي؟ لأن لما بيكون عندي adjective ends in a consonant آخره consonant وقبله short vowel اتكلمنا عن short vowels قبل كده. طيب تاني لما الادجكتيف يكون آخره consonant وقبله short vowel لما بجيب ال comparative form بتاعه لازم double the last letter أضاعف الحرف الأخير وبعدين أبقى أزود ال ER. زي big تبقى bigger than. زي إيه كمان؟ hot اهي it ends in T ده consonant وقبله short vowel. يبقى لما اجيب ال comparative تبقى hotter than I double the T تبقى hotter than. طيب ايه كمان؟ thinner than. thin ends in N ده consonant وقبله short vowel. يبقى ال comparative form يبقى NER بضاعف ال N. انا دايما بضاعف the last letter الحرف الأخير وبعدين ازود ال ER وبعدين then تبقى thinner than. Okay? Okay. Well, what about heavy? Heavy becomes heavier than. heavier than. ايه اللي حصل هنا؟ احنا زودنا ايه؟ grade زودنا IER. IER. طب احنا ليه زودنا IER؟ هي مش هي اخرها Y؟ Exactly. علشان الادجكتيف اخره Y وقبله consonant ال V ده consonant مش vowel. تمام؟ لما بنجيب ال comparative form الواي دي بتتحول لآي وبعدين بحط الإي آر تبقى heavier than. طيب what else؟ easy it ends in Y وقبلها في consonant تبقى easier than. easier than الواي بتتحول لآي وبعدين ER يبقى easier than. funny the same, it will be funnier than. okay يبقى this is the short adjectives. يبقى الشورت adjectives تمام في العادي زي مثلا كلمة tall بزود لها ER وتبقى taller than. طيب لو كلمة زي large آخرها E يبقى زود R وتبقى larger than. كلمة زي big آخرها consonant وقبلها short vowel يبقى لما أحط ال ER لازم أدبل the last letter تبقى bigger than. لو أنا عندي adjective زي heavy آخرها Y وقبلها consonant يبقى لما أجيب ال comparative form هحول ال Y ل IER وتبقى heavier than. يبقى that's all about the short adjectives. Let's do this exercise together to make sure إن أنتوا فهمتوا وإن الدنيا تمام. طيب exercise 3 write the comparative form of the adjectives. Number 1 tall. What is the comparative form? Great, it's taller than. طيب هزود إيه في الآخر؟ Great, it's ER. يبقى tall, taller than. Very good. طيب number 2 cute. And pay attention, it ends in E. يبقى هزود ER. Great, it's R, only R. يبقى cute will be cuter than. هزود R بس. طيب what about number 3 fat? It will be just ER. Very good. Double T and then ER يبقى fat fatter than. لأن fat ends in a consonant وقبلها في short vowel. يبقى fat fatter than. Right. The last one, number 4, noisy. IER. Very good. Noisy. The Y, okay, will turn into I. يبقى noisy, noisier than. Okay. Very good. طيب احنا كده اتكلمنا عن الشورت adjectives. تعالوا بقى نشوف اللونج adjectives. وقلنا ان اللونج adjectives هي اللي بتكون من 2 or more syllables. صح كده؟ تمام. زي مثلا كلمة beautiful. ينفع ازود لها ER وتبقى beautifuler than؟ قال لي لا، لما يكون عندي long adjective بسيبها زي ما هي بس بجيب قبلها more وبحط بعدها than تبقى more beautiful than. more beautiful than. طيب dangerous. dangerous تبقى more dangerous than. more dangerous than. helpful تبقى more helpful than. more helpful than. اوكي يبقى انا لما بيكون عندي long adjectives دايما بستخدم more than. more وبعدين الادجكتيف وبعدين than. Is it easy? Okay. Let's do exercise 4 together and we need to complete the table. احنا عندنا هنا table في adjectives and we need to get the comparative form. The first one is heavy. Okay, what is the comparative form of heavy? Great, it's heavier than because Y it turns into I and then ER. Heavier than. What about important? Important, it's long. Great, يبقى more important than. Okay, great. طيب old دي عادية. older than. Very good. طيب big and be careful. bigger than and don't forget to double G يبقى bigger than. طيب nice ends in E. It will be nicer than. Very good. Nicer than. Okay, is it easy? You understand? Very good. Let's move to the vocabulary part and the most important adjectives we talk today. So please read after me. Noisy, noisy, angry, angry, delicious, delicious, amazing, amazing, beautiful, beautiful, strong, strong, large, very big, large, flat, flat, perfect, perfect, long, long, fresh, fresh. Okay, the verbs. As we know, we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. So the regular verbs like carry, carried, carry, carried. We add IED. طب why؟ لأن carry ends in Y. Okay, and it's preceded by a consonant. قبلها في حرف consonant. يبقى لما نجيب الverb الماضي بنحط لها IED. طيب what else؟ cross, crossed, cross, crossed. walk, walked, walk, walked. نخلي بالنا إن إحنا ال L has no sound. walk, walked. stop, stopped, stop, stopped. كلمة stop بندبل the last letter, double P, okay? طيب, these are the regular verbs. What about the irregular verbs? drink, drank, drink, drank. have, had, have, had. get angry, دي على بعضها. get angry, got angry. get angry, got angry. Okay? Well, we have some extra vocabulary, كلمات إضافية, like what? clothes, clothes, and please don't say clothes, it's clothes. Okay, as we talked about camels, we have large flat feet, flat feet. What else? What else? sand, sand, like the sand in the desert. grass, grass. Okay? These are the most important vocab that we have for today. Okay, so that's what we talked today. اتكلمنا النهارده عن the camels, اتكلمنا عن the horses and how to compare between them. أخدنا ال comparative form وأخدنا the most important vocab in this lesson. نحفظ كويس، نذاكر كويس، وأشوفكم next time إن شاء الله. Goodbye.